In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate and flip images in GIMP, a GIMP tutorial designed specifically for beginners. This open-source graphics editor can be a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to help you get comfortable with these basic yet essential image manipulations. First things first, let's get that image opened up in GIMP. Launch the application, and once it's up and running, navigate to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click on File, and then select Open. Browse your computer to find the image you want to work with. Select it, and click Open once more. GIMP should now display your chosen image, ready for the transformations we're about to perform. Now let's dive into rotating or flipping your image. For a quick and straightforward approach, head over to the Image option in the top menu. Click on Image, then hover over Transform. Here, you'll see a variety of options for rotating and flipping your image. You can rotate clockwise or counterclockwise, or even turn it 180 degrees. If you want to flip your image, you can choose between flipping it vertically or horizontally. This is the most efficient method if you want to make your changes quickly, with a couple of clicks. But let's say you want a bit more control over how your image is adjusted. In that case, you might want to try using the Rotate tool or the Flip tool. To access these, look to the left and locate your toolbox. There, you should see the Rotate tool, symbolized typically by an icon with two arrows forming a circle. Click on it to activate the tool. With this tool active, simply click on your image, and a small window will pop up, offering you even more precise control. You can manually adjust the angle of rotation by sliding the rotation gauge or entering a specific degree value. Similarly, if flipping is what you're after, locate the Flip tool. It usually looks like a pair of parallel arrows pointing in opposite directions. Select this tool, then click on your image. Just like that, your image will flip according to the direction you've chosen, whether that's horizontal or vertical. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to apply these changes and save your work. Head over to the top left of your screen once again and select File, then click on Export As. This ensures your edited image will be saved correctly. Choose the file format you prefer, type in your file name, and make sure to choose a destination folder where you can easily find your photo later on. Hit Export, and in the follow-up dialog box, click Export once more. And there you have it, a neatly rotated or flipped image using GIMP. Practice these steps a few times, and in no time you'll become much more comfortable editing images in GIMP. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.